Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you're awake at night while the whole world is sleeping? Night shift work is something unavoidable for many professionals. Working in night shift jobs for a long period of time causes a disease called shift work sleep disorder. Symptoms of shift work sleep disorder: lack of sleep or disturbance in sleep, irritability, short temper, hair fall, dry skin, headache, giddiness, confusion, and lack of concentration, etc. You may feel normal today, but Ayurveda warns that staying awake at night for long periods can slowly disturb the body's natural biological clock. Health hazards of night awakening as per Ayurveda. Night awakening is one of the primary causes of Vata aggravation, leading to dryness, weakness, fatigue, and instability in body functions. Irregular sleep disturbs digestive fire, causing poor digestion, bloating, gas, and incomplete metabolism of food. Impaired digestion promotes harm or toxins accumulation, which obstructs bodily channels and become the root cause for many diseases. The body misses its natural repair time during sleep, resulting in persistent tiredness, low energy, and reduced endurance. Aggravated Vata dosh affects the mind, increasing worry, nervousness, overthinking, irritability, and emotional instability. Working against natural day-night rhythms disrupts the body's internal timing, hormones, and sleep quality. Repeated night awakening gradually weakens ojas, reducing disease resistance and overall vitality. Ayurveda considers regular night awakening is a cause of accelerated aging, resulting in early wrinkles, weakness, and reduced vigor. Increased Vata dosh can cause dry skin, dry eyes, dry mouth, constipation, and generalized body dryness. Chronic Vata aggravation may cause loss of body weight, muscle mass, strength, and nourishment of tissues. Disturbed sleep and circadian rhythm can impair normal hormonal regulation, affecting metabolism and reproductive health. Lack of proper sleep weakens mental clarity, focus, learning ability, and memory retention. Vata accumulation in the colon commonly leads to hard stools, irregular bowel movements, and constipation. Disturbed sleep and aggravated Vata and Pitta doshas may contribute to recurrent headaches and heaviness in head. Night work, especially involving screens, increases eye strain, dryness, burning sensation, and visual discomfort. Long-term sleep disturbance can contribute to irritability, low mood, emotional fluctuations, and lack of enthusiasm. Inadequate nighttime restoration gradually decreases stamina, exercise capacity, and physical performance. Excessive night awakening may reduce reproductive tissue nourishment, leading to decreased libido and vigor during sexual intercourse. Joint pain, muscle stiffness, tremors, numbness, and various neurological complaints may arise from chronic Vata aggravation due to night awakening. The body's natural repair processes occurs during sleep. Night awakening slows recovery from physical and mental stress. The healthy Ayurvedic diet plan for night shift workers. Eat your largest and most nourishing meal before starting your night shift. Prefer warm, freshly cooked foods over cold, refrigerated, and packaged foods. Include ghee daily to counteract Vata aggravation caused by night awakening. Favor nourishing grains such as rice, wheat, oats, and millet. Consume well cooked vegetables rather than raw salads during night shifts. Include protein rich foods like moong dal, milk, paneer, or eggs if suitable. Sip warm water throughout the shift to support digestion and hydration. Drink herbal teas with ginger, tulsi, or cinnamon instead of excessive coffee. Eat small, light snacks during the night rather than heavy meals. Soaked almonds, dates, raisins, and figs make ideal nourishing snacks. Avoid overeating between midnight and dawn when digestion is weakest. Use digestive spices such as cumin, coriander, fennel, and ginger regularly. Take warm milk with a pinch of nutmeg before daytime sleep if tolerated. Include seasonal fruits but avoid very cold fruits directly from the refrigerator. Use healthy fats such as ghee, sesame, oil, and coconut in moderation. Avoid excessive caffeine, energy drinks, stimulants during night shift. Minimize refined sugar and processed foods that disturb metabolism. Avoid cold drinks, ice creams, and chilled beverages at night. Maintain regular meal timings even if your work schedule changes. Eat your final meal at least 2 to 3 hours before sleeping. Healthy lifestyle habits for night shift workers. Whenever possible, maintain a fixed sleep schedule even on days off. Sleep immediately after completing the night shift instead of delaying rest. Make your bedroom completely dark to stimulate nighttime conditions. Use earplugs to reduce daytime sleep disturbances. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep every day. Perform gentle stretching before and after your shift to improve circulation. Practice 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing or pranayam daily. Use warm oil massage regularly to pacify aggravated Vata dosh. Sesame oil massage is particularly beneficial for night shift workers. Take a warm shower before sleeping to relax the nervous system. Spend a few minutes in morning sunlight after waking to support circadian rhythm. Exercise moderately but avoid intense workouts immediately before sleep. Practice meditation daily to reduce stress and mental fatigue. Take short movement breaks every hour during long night shifts. Avoid excessive screen exposure immediately before daytime sleep. Wear blue light blocking glasses during late night screen work if possible. Avoid sleeping with television or phone running nearby. Manage stress through relaxation techniques rather than stimulants. Prioritize recovery and rest on off days rather than staying awake unnecessarily. Ayurvedic medicine support. If digestion is good, consider Chyawanprash for immunity and rejuvenation. Ashwagandha may support energy, stress adaptation, and recovery. Brahmi may help mental clarity, concentration, and memory. Shatavari can support nourishment and recovery in suitable individuals. Rasayan therapy works best when combined with proper sleep and diet. For night shift workers, the goal is not only staying awake, but it is promoting Agni or digestive fire, pacifying Vata dosh, preserving strength and vitality, and ensuring adequate restorative sleep. Hope this information brings health in your life. Thank you.